after 12 hours of flying. I'm waiting for my bus now. I don't know where it is.
Look at that! Oh, yeah.
Wait. Walk up, walk up. Sit. Wait, here, here. Walk up, walk up. So, this is Milo, everyone.
Hi, Milo.
We've 5 dogs on the farm here. The eldest is Bruce, he's 10 years of age. Jerry's 7. Our second dog out today would be Rob, he's 5.5. Just passing around, this lad's quiet. No, this lad's getting a bit bigger. If he gets too heavy, he can just feed him now. So these are quite 3 weeks old, and you can see the different markings on these two. I borrowed some off my neighbour because I ran out of lambs. And these two here, they own 2 lambs each, 2 sets of twins, and that one on the far side owns that smaller lamb.
Alright, so maybe I can use this as a chance to explain a little bit what's going on. This morning I got to my hostel at like 6 and I couldn't check in until 3 p.m. That was 9 hours from when I got there, and I was not going to sit in the lobby for 9 hours. So I booked this tour, this 10-hour tour last minute because it was like $45. I'm running off of like 1 hour of sleep total in like the last 3 days. And I just got off a 12-hour flight before going straight to this tour, basically. So I am not feeling it. I am not feeling like doing anything. Because I'm so tired and I have like no energy, I'm not enjoying it as much as I should, and I'm not like taking as much video as I should either. At least after I go back to the hostel tonight, it will get much better, because then I finally get to crash and sleep for like 16 hours. Wind is blowing. Say something about price. I'm not paying to go in there. Castle or big open field with a cemetery? Big open field with a cemetery it is. So it seems like this town Kilkenny is actually like kind of cool. It's just like pretty small and doesn't really have a ton of stuff. Our tour guide said that he grew up here and he could spend like a month here, not see everything, but I've been here for 2 hours and there's not much to do. I pretty much sat in the same restaurant for most of the time that we've been here. I even walked up and down all the streets and there was a bunch of little shops and stuff, but I'm not trying to spend a ton of money. So I walked like all the way back here to the back corner of this park and I couldn't find the cemetery until like just now. I think I found it. It's this little thing. It looked like a house in here, but it's like one big memorial. I actually don't know if I'm supposed to be in here. That's really fancy. That's got to be someone special. Oh wait, actually, I think this is St. Nicholas. I think this is Santa. That's actually what our tour guide was saying. He was saying that St. Nicholas was buried here in Kilkenny. That's probably what this is. This wind is gnarly. I also didn't film it, but I just went to a card shop tournament. When in Ireland, why not? I tied for last place. I slept like shit last night. I slept like absolute dog shit. So the last 2 nights that I've been here, someone has pissed on the floor in the corner over there and in the trash can. I don't know what is going on, but last night I was actually awake and I heard it. He was just standing over there and someone was pissing in the corner. So, today is my last day in Dublin. So, there's a couple more things that I want to see, so I'm going to go walk around, explore a little bit, go to a little value market and just get some snacks and food because I don't want to keep paying for full meals. But Dublin's a fun city. It's a really cool place. This hostel is kind of cool. I really like this like pod setup. I want to keep looking for these if I can. So this is the chill out room. This is kind of sick. Oh, and it's done. So I didn't feel like buying food today, so I just bought this for literally the equivalent of $2 US. When I worked in Idaho, we sold these exact things for $8 each. is actually pretty cheap if you know where to go. So I got all of this stuff at a convenience store for about $7 total. That is better than most meals here. I had a burger the other day that was pretty good and actually cheap, and it was $6. This is a good deal. I'm just gonna keep doing this. I'm excited for the meat pie. This one's chicken and mushroom. We also got spicy rings and mango. The mango's really good. These are actually pretty good too. Dude, I'm so excited for the pie, but it's gonna be a minute till it's cool enough to eat. The pie's good, but it's very bland. But you know what? For €1.60, I'm not complaining. Something that you guys might find interesting. So I exchanged my money today, and this is the receipt for it. So I gave them $40 US and I got €35. I mean, I guess I paid a little bit for it. Like 1.14 is the exchange rate. Right now, I think the actual exchange rate is 1.06. So, I mean, I got ripped off a little bit, but not too bad. Could have been way worse. I already spent 10 of this on food that I got. There's those two. So tomorrow, when I wake up in the morning, I'm gonna take a bus to Galway and go to the next city. And then I think 2 or 3 days from then, I'm going down to Cork. And then flying to Edinburgh. Catch you later.